Beautiful. I would actually pick this over their real. Okay, that's probably the worst application ever. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a testing Ted Baker makeup video, and I've got this big beautiful gift set that I got for rather Christmas or birthday last year, and it has blushes and mascaras, eyeshadows, eyeliner and lipsticks in here. So as you can tell, I've already got my base on. I've got a little bit of powder underneath my eyes just in case there is any fallout. We aren't taking any risks here. But if you like videos like this and you want to find out more about me, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you turn on the notifications button, because someone commented on my video the other day saying that they thought I'd just completely stopped doing YouTube because they weren't going up like in their subscription box. So please hit the notification button, because a lot of you are missing my videos and I'm putting a lot of hard work into them, so I don't want you to miss them. So yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe, notification, and give it a thumbs up so I know you want me to do more videos like this in the future. And when more come out at Christmas, because they always come out at Christmas and boots, then I will know whether to do more Ted Baker testing makeup videos. Okay, I'll leave any ones that I've done previously down below, because I have done one or two below testing Ted Baker. But anyways, let's get into this video and I hope you enjoy. So there's 4 things in this set that I'm not actually going to use, and 2 of them are 2 of their nail varnishes, and like a light pink and a dark pink. One of them is the kind of red lip balm, and then the other one is some eyelash curlers. And the reason I'm not going to use this is I already have my Show You Mirror eyelash curlers, and I think I've got 2 already pairs of these from previous gift sets that I've bought. So I'm going to put this into my giveaway pile for you guys, as well as the lip balm, because I've already got my Benefit one, so I don't need another red tinted lip balm. And the nail varnishes, I get my nails done now. I absolutely love my nails right now. They are absolutely beautiful. Look at them. So I've got marble and a blue and like a sparkly one as well, like a bluey grey. So yeah, I don't need any more nail varnishes. I've got too many as it is anyway, so I'm going to put these 2 into my giveaway pile for you guys as well. To start the video, I'm going to go in with the more nude kind of lip balm, because this is absolutely stunning. It's like a creamy lipstick actually. I thought it was a lip balm. So that's just going to give just a little bit of colour to our lips whilst we're doing the rest of the face, and just moisturise and soften my lips a little bit as well. That is stunning. So let's get some blusher on these cheeks. So I'm going to go in with the blush palette. Just looks like this. This is absolutely stunning. And I'm going to go in with the beautiful brush that comes with it as well. And I'm just going to brush the 2 colours together and apply. Oh my god, that is stunning. I've been absolutely loving blusher recently. My friend Beth has really got me into it, because she just looked absolutely stunning every single day for work. This brush is really nice for blusher as well. But yeah, she just looked, oh my god, she just looked amazing every single day for work. And I think it's because she had, I mean, she's beautiful anyway, but I think it's because she had like a flush of colour to her skin, whereas I was a bit more plain because I didn't have that flush. So yeah, I'm into blusher now. Blusher is now a thing for me. So from the looks of it, the pink is matte, but then the lighter kind of side is a bit shimmering. So when you mix them together, it gives you an absolutely beautiful glow. Ah, beautiful. So for eyeshadow, we have this little palette here, and then we also have an eyeshadow brush as well, which just looks like this. So the eyeshadow, we have a matte kind of light pink, we have a matte taupey brown, and then we have like a shimmery colour as well. So I'm going to take this fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with the lightest colour first. And I'm going to put this underneath my brow bone to act as a highlight. I never really use matte pinks, like to highlight or anything like that. Like I don't really use pink highlights or anything like that. But since I tried that Technic rainbow highlighter, I am open to all sorts now. I am a lot more open-minded. And then I'm going to be taking a MAC 224 brush and going in with the darker shade, and I'm going to put that through the crease. So I've just changed brush because that MAC one had a bit of pink still on it, where I have been very naughty and not washed my brushes. So I've just gone in with a bigger, fluffier brush. And I just want you to know I'm doing this fully just on like a bit of foundation that's on my eye. I'm not using my P. Louise base or anything like that. So on a base that's like a sticky base, this would be such better payoff. But I didn't want the base to cover up how, like, to show like how good the eyeshadow is when it's actually the base that's making it good. I wanted it to be like a true test of what their eyeshadow is like. And when I've done previous videos showing their trios, I've always commented how it was always a lot of shimmers and not like a transition-y colour, so it's nice that they have the more transition-y kind of colour. I wish it was a bit more warm, but that's just because I'm a warm kind of gal. I'm not a cool toned kind of gal, so that is just the reason why. And then for the shimmer, I'm going to go in with that fluffy brush again from Ted Baker, and I'm going to kind of pack this really onto the brush, and we're going to use this as our lid colour. Let's try my finger because that wasn't the best payoff. Oh, that's a bit better. It's definitely like going to be after eyeshadow that you're going to have to build up, because that's a little bit disappointing compared to like previous Ted Baker ones that I've tried before. And like I'm really pushing my finger into the eyeshadow now. Let's see if that makes any difference. A little bit. That's a bit better. Oh, I'm so let down by that. I thought the colour combination was going to really make this stand out, but like the colour payoff is just not there at all. And like I'm really like packing it on my finger. And it's just only just showing up. It's not, yeah. I am a bit disappointed by that. I thought that would have been a little bit better, not gonna lie. So I've just added some of my Maybelline matte eyeliner just to kind of jazz it up a little bit, because I feel like because it's only 3 eyeshadows, there's not really much more that I can do with it. So I thought it'll jazz it up a little bit, ready for the mascara next. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my own Shumera eyelash curls, which I absolutely love. The Ted Baker ones are amazing as well, but obviously I want to give them away to you guys. And I don't want to just use them for the purpose of once in a video, when I've used them previously before in other videos as well, so it means I can give back to you guys. So then we'll be going into the giveaway, like I've already mentioned. But next I'm going to be trying the mascara. Absolutely love the packaging of Ted Baker's stuff. Let's see what the wand is like. Ooh, that's good. I thought it was going to be like a really, really kind of fat wand, but it's not. It's got tiny, tiny little bristles, and it's a plastic one. So very excited. Let's see what this one's like. Okay, so this is the mascara applied. It is so long, like lengthening and stuff. It's really, really a dry formula, which I like because it means you have more movement with it. You can really get each lash coated and separated, and it makes it look really, really long. I would actually pick this over their Real, which is what I'm using at the moment on a daily basis, because their Real is just too wet and my eyelashes do not go like this with their Real. I'd like this to just be just a little bit wetter, just a little bit, or I'd go in with like, once it's dry, go in with like a second layer to kind of lengthen it up. But this is absolutely amazing. If they sold this, like just normally, like separately and not just at Christmas time, I would repurchase this over and over again because it's amazing. So last but not least, we have lips, and it's a very bright pink colour, which old Lucy would have loved, but current Lucy likes dark browns with a lighter lip in the middle to make my lips look nice and juicy. But we're going to go in with this Ted Baker one today. Okay, that's probably the worst application ever. So this is the finished look. Please let me know down below what you think. I think this kind of box is a more of a natural box. The other thing that I was going to try was this little bad boy, and I thought this was an eyeliner, but it's not. It's an eyebrow pencil, and I already put my eyebrows on before I started filming this video, so I'll have to put this in my little tub of things to try next. What I wanted to know is, I saw like Soph does nails do this, where products like these, like this lipstick, I will probably never ever wear again. I've wore it once for a video, I've tested it out for you guys, and I'm probably never going to wear it again. Would you be interested in a giveaway where it's kind of stuff like that, stuff that you can kind of clean down with like sanitize and get rid of all like any kind of bacteria and clean after me so that you can use it? Would you be interested in a giveaway with things like that I've used once or twice just for a video? Because really after that it goes in my makeup drawer and it never really comes out again, or it'll go to Millie, or it doesn't really go to Millie either because she's not that age yet to appreciate it. My younger sister, Megan, she's getting to that age now where she's going to start appreciating makeup, so I can give her stuff. But obviously I have a lot of stuff and she's not going to be able to use all of this. Everyone only has one face. So yeah, please let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in a giveaway where it's kind of stuff like this where I've just used once or twice for a video. and then I'm probably never going to use again. Stuff that you can wipe down, like I will wipe them down anyway and spray some like antibacterial spray on it before I give it away. But also when you get it to your house, you can also wipe it down and spray it as well, so you know that it's being like double cleaned if you're a clean freak like I can be, especially when it comes to makeup. So yeah, please let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you would be interested in, because then I've got a whole potential of other things that I could give away to you, instead of things that are just brand new and haven't been touched before. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe. No, but seriously, if you enjoyed it, please do subscribe and join our family. My next goal is 7,000, so I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I shall see you then. Bye guys.